21. The maximum speed of nerve impulse transmission is 120 m per second. Which of the following has no central nervous system? Hydra. Option A is correct. Coordination result in all of these: regulation of body function, organization of body function, integration of body functions. MCQs number 24. Which of the following are responsible for detection of changes in environment? Receptors. Option A is correct. Receptor. MCQs number 25. Which of the following are effector? Both A and B. Muscles and glands are act as a effector. MCQs number 26. Any change in environment of an organism is called stimulus. Option A is correct. Stimulus. 27. Hydra has neuron cells. Option C is correct. Neuron cells. 28. Which of the following is missing from nervous system of planaria? None of these. Option D is correct. None of these. MCQs number 29. Coordination is brought about by both of these: nervous system and endocrine system. MCQs number 30. Which of the following transmit nerve impulses from receptor to central nervous system? Sensory neurons. Option A is correct. Sensory neurons. MCQs number 31. In which of the following neurons length of dendrite is greater than axons? Option A is correct. Sensory neurons. Option A is sensory neurons. 32. Which of the following neuron has a single long dendron? Sensory neurons. Option A. Sensory neuron is correct. 33. Which of the following cytoplasmic extensions carry the message toward the cell body? Dendrites. Option A is correct. Dendrites. 34. Macroscopic gaps between neuron ending are called synapses. Option B is correct. 35. What is the function of synapse? To decrease the speed of nerve impulse. Option B is correct. MCQs number 36. Under resting membrane potentials, outer surface of neuron is more positive. Option A is correct. MCQs number 37. Which of the following ions are involved in initiation of nerve impulse? Sodium ion. Option A is correct. Reflex action below neck or under control of spinal cord. Option B is correct. 39. A central nervous system of man consists of both of these: brain and spinal cord. MCQs number 40. Which of the following is the largest part of brain? Cerebrum. Option A is correct. Cerebrum. 41. Which of the following is present inside the vertebral column? Spinal cord. Option B is correct. Spinal cord. MCQs number 42. Intelligence is under control of cerebrum. Option A is correct. Cerebrum. 43. Which of the following is second largest part of brain? Cerebellum. Option B is correct. Cerebellum. 44. Which of the following act as a thermoregulator? Hypothalamus. Option D is correct. Hypothalamus. Which of the following allow precise muscular movement? Cerebellum. Option B is correct. Cerebellum. MCQs number 46. Receptor for hearing come under heading of mechanical. Option B, mechanical. 47. It is one of the convulsive disorder of nerves which are characterized by abrupt transmission symptoms of motor, sensory, or psychic or automatic nature. Epilepsy. Option B is correct. Epilepsy. MCQ number 48. Which of the following feature is not related to neurons? Regeneration. Option B is correct. Regeneration. Value of resting membrane potential is 0.07 volt. MCQ number 50. Numbers of pairs of cranial nerve is 12. Option C is 12. 51. Insufficient secretion of iodothyronine is adult causes myxedema. Option A is correct. 52. Insulin and glucagon are in nature. Protein in nature. 53. Acromegaly is caused due to oversecretion of D. Thyroxine. 54. MSH is produced from median pituitary. 55. Graves' disease is produced due to overproduction of thyroxine. Secretion is hormones produced by duodenum. Secretin is produced due to duodenum. 57. All of the following are similarities between nervous and endocrine system except having slow but prolonged effect. 58. Types of behavior enabling pill bugs to reach moist area is kinases. 59. Was first proposed an objective definition of instinct? Darwin. Option B is correct. Darwin. MCQ number 60. A simplest form of learning. Habituation is a simplest form of learning. Option B is correct.